Hi, this is Steve Palladino from Palladino Power Project, bringing you a video on how to override the targets that come with the structured workouts in my training plans on Final Surge with individual interval power target calculations. Um, okay, for this, you need to be in beta on Final Surge, and you'll see workouts on your calendar, and it will have this little icon here, this little bar chart icon. If you open that up, that brings you to the workout builder, and you just click on that header right here, the title, and that will open up the workout builder environment. Now, I don't have enough screen here to show you what's off to the left, but that's the runner's FTP and the details of the workout, etc. But we're going to focus in on here. So the workout, I'm going to go back. The workout is 4 times 5 minutes at 101, 103% of FTP CP. And so we go into the structured workout, and we'll see that down here. This runner's FTP is 362 watts. So you can see that the way it's built, the structured workout is built in the training plans, is it has a percentage of the FTP. And that will, these are the calculations of 101% of 362 and 103% of 362. And that's what will show up on your watch in terms of your structured workout, will be these numbers. Now, you may want to be using a individualized interval power target calculator. Again, that's over here on the far right in the beta mode. There are these various icons. There's a calculator icon. If you open that calculator icon, it'll have a number of different calculator options, one of them being mine. And the top calculator, the first calculator, is the individual interval power target calculator. It needs an input for critical power and reserve work capacity. This runner's critical power, as I mentioned earlier, was 362 watts, and their reserve work capacity is 10.2 kilojoules. So we click that calculate button, and it'll come up with this little chart. These are the interval power targets that are individualized to that runner based on their critical power and reserve work capacity. In this video, down in the description, if you open that up, I will put a link to more on this particular calculator and some of the work that went into developing it. So this was a super threshold workout, which is that was what the workout was, 4 times 5 minute super threshold workout. And the original default prescription is 101 to 103% of FTP. Well, you can see for this particular runner with this critical power, this reserve work capacity, super threshold intervals are going to be done, are better done at 102 to 104%. So there's two ways of arriving at these numbers, or entering these numbers and overriding what came with the plan. So one way is to just transfer the power targets, which is 369 to 376. So I'm going to exit out. I'm going to go into the structured workout builder. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to a power target, and it's 369 to I forgot. 369 to, should have written this down. um, uh, 369 to 376. Right here. Okay, so we'd go back and once again open this structured workout builder. We would change it. You can see it's set up for percent of FTP. We change it to power target and put in 369 to 376. There you go. Everything else can stay the same. It's primarily the work intervals that you're modifying. The other way is just take that percentage, which once again, I'll go back and bring this up. And you'll see that it's 102 to 104%. So what you would do is just transfer that in for that interval power target. Notice how it went back to the default because I did not save it. But we're going to change that from 101 to 103 to 102 to 104 for this particular runner, 370 to 377, which is about the same as the 369 to 376 if you actually put the raw power numbers in there in watts. So if I save it, now the workout builder will reflect that. If we scroll down here, see 102, 104% of FTP, and that's the new workout. And we could double check it if you want. You come in here and open it up, and there it is. So that's how you would override the default, which you see here, and input your individualized interval power target based on the calculator that I have in Final Surge. Thank you for watching. You can check down in the description of this video for additional links and information on this topic. Thank you.